Hey guys, I'm Sean Goddard, Redken artist and Ulta Beauty Pro Team member. We're on set today, and what I want to talk to you about is this beautiful color that we created for our model. And so what we did was we worked with, of course, Redken hair color. That's always my go-to. And she came with us. She had existing yellow and then some highlights. So what we wanted to do was blend away that warmth at the root area. My go-to formula for that is always Redken Shades EQ 06T. I love to use that because it cuts out the warmth but still keeps it natural looking with a slight little bit of smoky metallic finish to it. Then what we did was throughout the front, we wanted this to have a metallic rose kind of pinky blush effect. And so what we did was we highlighted a few highlights around her face frame, working with a new product that is our new Shades EQ Level 10 Series 10VV. So I know everyone's going to be very excited to be trying these out. That's what gave us that lighter reflect throughout. So it still has a slight pinky tone to it, but it's more of that metallic finish to it. I chose not to put any clear in that because I wanted it to have that smoky kind of effect to it, but you could always add clear if you wanted it to be softer. And then last but not least, our pink color that we worked with was our City Beats from Redken. This is City Ballet Pink, and that was just directly on its own. So no dilution necessary for that to give it that really nice soft pink. So you can see when all of those blend together, it gives us that really relevant kind of dusty metallic effect that your clients are asking for. So I think the most important thing for this is that you want to make sure that you keep dimension and definition in it. So seeing that contrast is really what makes this look modern. So we're going to send her back to get ready, and you guys will have to stay tuned for the final shot.